Look at all these pork chops I got for 160 crowns. There's like 20 of them. They were 60% off. I could feed an army. Let's see how this is going to turn out. Wil je nog 160? 60% levnischi. Dat is normaal niet. Still have like all those to cook. I made a Bloody Mary. Rajchatova stava. Okay, now it's ready. Dotrobi. Today. Going in the oven for at least an hour. So everything gets nice and tender. So we have mamy balkanski syr, rajczata, cebulę, wieprzowy grillowany maso, tomatoes, onions, white and red tomatoes. Oh, they are the spicy Hungarian paprika, whatever peppers. Balkan cheese. This is a must. That's going to make that everything nice and juicy and tasty. It's a little salty, that cheese. And don't forget the muggy. Ooh, let's have some of that burrata salad. Let's see here. Let's see the inside. I like this cheese. That gooey. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Look at me. Oop, that was hot. Hot. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Let's see. Yep. It is red. Meats, just cut it with a fork. Oh yeah. Got lots of good sauce in there. It's gonna be good on that rice. Yeah. Smash those tomatoes a little bit. Ooh, that cheese is good. See that cheese? Ooh. It's gonna be yummy. Oh yeah, I tasted it. It's good and spicy. It's really good. Benjamin! Večeře. Dinner. Dobrou chuť. I gotta make Mama's plate now. For Mama's, she's gonna get some of this burrata tomato salad on top, because it's a little spicy. This will cool it down. I think she's gonna like that.